Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey guys, this is just a quick follow-up video to the Xiaomi scooter review that I did recently, because I did promise that I would make another video showing how to unlock the scooter. By unlocking the scooter, I mean releasing the speed limit that's on it so that you can go a little bit faster. Well, I say a little bit faster, I mean this scooter goes like a like a rocket. I did also say that I would be showing you some of the best accessories and modifications to do on this scooter, but I'm going to leave that video for a little while because I've got some other stuff coming in which I'd like to include in that video. So for now, we're just going to focus on unlocking the Xiaomi 365 Pro. So yeah, the modifications and accessories video is still in the works, but because it's going to take a little bit of time to do, still waiting on some items coming in that I want to test out, I figured that in the meantime it would be best to crack on with the unlocking video so that I can show you speed freaks out there how it's done. Now, in my opinion, this is the hack that makes buying the Xiaomi Pro an absolute no-brainer compared to other more expensive e-scooters out there. Because once you release the speed limiter on this thing, like I say, it feels like a proper little rocket. 30 plus kilometers per hour may not sound like much, but believe me, when you're riding, it feels fast at full speed. I don't even think you would feel safe going any faster. But you know, it's so much fun, I promise you. Every single person that I've given a go of this scooter has said the exact same thing, which is, oh my god, it's so fast, oh that's the most fun I've had in ages, where can I buy one? So let's get the unlocking out of the way, because I'm guessing that's what most people will want to do with this scooter when they first get it. Now this Xiaomi already goes pretty fast out of the box, but unlocking this scooter will remove the speed limiter from around 25 kilometers an hour up to a staggering top speed of 35 kilometers per hour. Mind blowing, right? Now, it's really simple to do this hack. But at the time of recording this video, the requirements for hacking the scooter is that your scooter firmware cannot be above version 1.5.5. Now, this is really important because when you first connect your scooter to the Xiaomi app, it will tell you that there is an update and it will ask you if you want to go ahead with the update. Now, if you do this update, you cannot hack in any way that I'm about to show you. If you're on version 1.6 or above, this hack will not work. I'm really sorry. However, saying that, I wouldn't be surprised if in the near future someone will figure out a new updated hack which will work on 1.6 and above. But for now, stick with version 1.5 if you want to go faster. So here is the web page that you might want to look at for the guide. It is a blog article via the site spzshop.com. I will put a link in the description below that takes you straight to this page that we're looking at now. Like I say, the process is dead easy and I'm going to go through it step by step with you right now. So if we look at the blog here, we can see with a little bit of context, it says at the top that the M365 Pro is an improved version of the famous M365. It's just beginning to arrive in Europe from the Chinese market. But this youth didn't stop one of the best hackers on the circuit, Nikita, from working on the firmware. This work has paid off. To thank Nikita for his work, feel free to make a PayPal donation here. I would recommend that you do that if you can afford it, because, you know, give the guy a couple of quid, you know, for making your scooter go faster. You know, it's worth it. Anyway, no more speed limits. We present you the first modified firmware called GoNG. Based on the firmware 1.5.5, the GoNG provides you with a maximum speed limit increase to 35 kilometers an hour instead of 25, and you now have a minimum starting speed which is increased to 2 kilometers an hour. You can download it here. There we go, it's that zip file, drv155gonka.zip. Just download that file and stick it on your phone somewhere. Installation is standard if you use the custom firmware on the M365. It is indeed enough to use the application developed by Kame Alpha M365 DownG. Well, this is basically the app here. This is the app that you need to put on your phone to do the hack. It's quite simple. I've still got this on my phone now. Once installed, I'll just click here. Here's the Google Play link, and I'll just show you that. Once installed, launch the application and turn on the scooter. The first button to use is Connect. This action will attempt to connect your scooter via Bluetooth. If the connection fails, check that you have no other applications connected to your scooter. When you are connected, the application asks you to click on the Check Version to check the status of the scooter. From there, the Open Bin button is activated. You must then choose the CFW that you've just downloaded. If the file is the right one, then the Flash Bin button is activated. Click on the Flash Bin, the download starts, wait until the application gives you your hand back. That's it, you've flashed your scooter. To you, the miles of pleasure. Okay, so let's do this. Let's open up the app, M365 DownG app. We will switch on the scooter and we will hit connect to the Xiaomi, obviously. Just find it on the list and tap it. And now that we're connected, you want to hit the tab which says check version. The app will now check the version of your firmware, and what you need is the same result as me, where you should see it says DRV version 155. That's 1.5.5. If that's what it says, we can continue. Following the instructions, the next thing to do is hit Open Bin and look for that GoNG file that we downloaded. And after I have a little look through my phone, we can find it here. Found it. Hit it, tap it, boom, there we go, and all that's left to do is hit Flash Bin. Now the app will do its thing, it will flash your firmware to the new hacked version. It does take about a minute or so to do, so I'll just fast forward this little bit, but you can see up it goes 50%, 55, 60, 65, 70, until eventually 100%. And that's it all done. The scooter is now unlocked, speed limit released. We can now go and have some fast fun.